Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make a bok choy stir fry. Before that, click that red subscribe button. Choy contains high in nutrition fat. Each cup contains vitamin C, A and K and good source of fluid. Today I take 3 bulb bok choy, 1 small onion, few garlics, 1 teaspoon oil. In the pan, add oil, add chopped onion, garlic and chili is optional. Saute about 1 minute, add the chopped bok choy and saute. Add the salt for seasoning. Keep saute about 1 to 2 minutes, and once the leafy vegetables start sweaty, that's it guys, this dish is ready. It's quick and easy and perfect for who consume low calorie in their diet. Very high in nutrition and best side for rice and bread. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.